Today I'm going to be replacing the cabin air filter on this 2008 Nissan Armada. Tools I'm using is a flathead screwdriver, a 8mm socket with a 6-inch extension on a 3/8 ratchet. You could use electric or hand tool. Now look underneath your glove box. There should be 2 clips that you need to pop out and 2 pins that you need to pull, one on each side. One, and then there's another one on the right side. 2. Now open your glove box and then pull out of the hinge, and then you're going to go underneath and make sure it's over this 2 prong that's sticking out. You can leave it down. Now if you look close, behind your glove box is a 8mm bolt that you need to remove that is covering the cabin air filter in the back. Remove the cover, and here is your cabin air filter. And pull it out. Slide the one on the right to the left and pull out. Here's the old dirty filter. As you can see, it hasn't been changed, so I'm changing it out. When you get your cabin air filter, make sure the airflow arrow is pointing in the right direction. It is pointing down. The outside air is coming from the top and is going down on the cabin air filter. So make sure it's in the right orientation. Now put your cabin air filter back in. Put it in and slide to the right. Same with the second one. When putting your cabin filter cover on, make sure it sits on the 3 prong on the top. Now close up the glove box. Make sure this go underneath first, and then it just sits like that. Close it in. When putting these pin clip back in, you're gonna have to open the glove box and wiggle it back into the hole. Now put this 2 clip back. And you're all done.